There are tons of Pixel launchers in the market, but none of them seems to be doing it the right way. Today I'm here with the most authentic Pixel launcher in the market to help you guys who are running Android smartphones. So without any further ado, let's roll the intro. Before we get started though, make sure to hit the bell icon to get the notification for all our future videos. Now that you have done that, let's get started. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel if you are a regular viewer. If you are new to this channel, here's the intro. Hi, I am Shubham from Technamic and today I am here with the best Pixel launcher I have ever came across. Thanks to the folks at XDA, we can get our hands on the authentic Pixel launcher. You can get this too by simply clicking on the link given in the description below. From there, simply download the APK, install it and boom, you're ready. Now, coming back to the launcher. My, its beauty. I have always been disappointed by the Pixel launcher themes available on Play Store because they were never that smooth and never gave me the satisfaction. But this is totally different. In my experience, I have never experienced any lag or any choppiness. The transitions are smooth, the UI works seamlessly and it provides all the visual features that you get with the Pixel. You get the notification dots as well, even if you are not running Android Oreo. All in all, I would highly suggest you to give this a try. If you like this app, then make sure to show your support by sharing this video with your friends and by obviously subscribing. Thanks for watching guys, and I'll see you in the next video. See ya.